So you think AI killed blogging? Well, you might want to think again. There is this massive misconception floating around right now that artificial intelligence just completely wiped out the need for articles and human-written content. But the actual reality? AI didn't kill blogging at all. It actually just leveled the playing field, making it entirely possible for modern businesses and professionals to build real, scalable authority without needing a massive team.
Welcome to Strategic AI Blogging, the Authority Blueprint. Today, we're skipping all the fluff and diving straight into the actual mechanics of dominating search engines and monetizing your content. This explainer is produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, an educator and AI agents and automation builder based in Karachi, Pakistan, who is dedicated to helping professionals and startups build highly authoritative digital footprints. All right, here is our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the new AI era. Second, SEO and niching. Third, we'll break down the TCREI AI prompting framework. And finally, we'll cover those all-important monetization pathways. Let's get into it. Look, the outdated strategy of just asking an AI to pump out generic, low-value content for a mass audience, yeah, that is completely dead. The new focus has to be strategic AI blogging. You see, modern large language models actually rely on humanized, niched-down content to figure out which credible businesses to recommend. Essentially, if you have no unique content, you practically don't exist in the AI era. To really survive and thrive right now, your career strategy requires you to niche down completely. Broad topics are just way too competitive. You need to stop writing about a massive general topic like automation and start writing about something highly specific like automation for the hospital industry. Why? Because a smaller, incredibly loyal audience with actual money to invest in your specific niche is infinitely more valuable than a huge, generic crowd.
Okay, so once you've nailed down your niche, you need to understand the SEO fundamentals that actually get you noticed, and that starts with the slug. Now, the slug is just the specific part of a URL that identifies a page. Placing your exact target keywords right there in the URL is the absolute first and most crucial step to signaling the search engines exactly what your content is about. Next up is the actual architecture of your site, specifically internal linking. Basically, this just means connecting different pages of your own website together. Think of it like a giant web that keeps visitors reading longer and clicking around. This improves crawlability and sends a massive signal to Google that your platform is a genuinely authoritative resource. And then, we have the ultimate currency of SEO credibility, external linking, which you probably know as backlinks. These are links from other high-authority websites pointing directly back to yours. Search engines treat these as a literal vote of confidence, and you acquire these by networking with other site owners, maybe offering guest content, or just providing genuine high-level value in community hubs like Reddit.
All right, now we reach the crown jewel of this explainer. You know the SEO basics, but how do you actually write the content using AI without sounding, well, like a robot? Enter your secret weapon, the TCREI framework. This is a highly structured AI writing workflow that virtually guarantees your content is going to sound professional, human, and truly authoritative.
Here is exactly how it builds out, step by step. T stands for task. You have to tell the AI its exact role. C is context. Always provide the background. R is for reference. Feed it specific examples of what you want. E is evaluate. Check the result it gives you. And finally, I is iterate. Continuously refine and tweak it until the output is absolutely perfect.
But hold on a second. Before you even open your AI prompter to use that framework, you've got to do the groundwork. You need to use essential research tools to discover exactly what high-value, low-competition topics your audience is already searching for. You can use Answer My Public to find real user questions, Google Keyword Planner for search volume data, and platforms like SimilarWeb or Ahrefs to basically spy on your competitors and see what's already working for them. I want you to always keep this golden rule in mind. Search engines rank based on value provided, not just word count. Your personal research, your unique perspective, and your real-world experiences, those form the soul of the blog. The AI is simply the tool you use to polish your grammar into short, highly readable paragraphs. Never, ever let AI replace your unique value. So the big question, once you build all this highly optimized, valuable content, how does it actually pay the bills? Let's rapid fire through 5 monetization pathways. 1. Affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions on product links.
2. Sponsors paying you for brand mentions. 3. AdSense revenue from banner ads. 4. Paid newsletters for your premium content. And 5. Email marketing to drive direct sales of your very own products or services.
Now, let's bring this all back down to earth for a second. The myth that's constantly sold online is that you'll achieve overnight viral success and instant page 1 rankings. But the reality? True search engine authority requires anywhere from 3 to 12 months of patience, consistency, and a relentless commitment to delivering pure value to your niched audience. It's a marathon, guys, not a sprint.
Which leaves us with one final pretty important question. Are you ready to stop just surviving the AI era and start actually leading it? The tools and frameworks are right in front of you. A great place to start is by grooming your social feeds to focus on educational content just like this. Implement these SEO and AI strategies, and hey, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into AI automation mastery. Your audience is out there searching for you right now. Go make sure they can find you.